Hi, this is Nagma from Imagine Crafts, and I'm going to show you a simple technique using irRESISTible and a heat gun to create this cool textured effect, which goes perfectly with an image like this s'more stamp. For this technique, I'm using stamps from Lawn Fawn, which makes really great stamps, and I've already stamped my stamp in Memento dye ink and peanut brittle, and then I filled it in with a Spectrum Noir alcohol marker. And then the next step to get that texture is to use our Pico embellisher. The irRESISTible Pico embellisher in wedding dress needs to be shaken, so that's what I'm doing first. And now I'm going to unscrew the cap, and I'm just going to fill in the white part. I'm not concerned about the air bubbles because I want it to have this weird kind of texture anyway. And then you want to cap your Pico immediately to keep it from clogging. And it helps if you use your finger to get that needle back on. Now I'm going to take my heat gun. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area, even though we're only going to be heating it for a few seconds. It's still probably a good idea. And I'm going to hold it fairly close to the paper, and you just need to heat it for a few seconds, and then you'll start to see it bubbling up. So here's my s'more, heated and cooled. You can really see how raised up the irRESISTible got with the heat gun. To create the rest of my tag, using the same stamp set, I stamped the trees in Memento Luxe and Olive Grove, and the sentiment in the same ink. I made the background by using Memento dye inks in Summer Sky and Pear Tart, and I just sponged directly onto the paper. And then I cut everything out, and I used dimensional adhesive to adhere the sentiment and the s'more, and then I finished off with a piece of May Arts ribbon. For more great project and technique ideas, check out Imagine Crafts on Facebook, Pinterest, and at imaginecrafts.com.